Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to use your phone as remote for your TCL Google TV, and trust me, the process is quite simple. Without wasting much of your time, let's quickly dive into the video. First things first, on your phone you want to head over to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. If you're using an iPhone, click on the search icon, and then from the search bar you want to go ahead and search for the Google Home app. It should be available on the Google Play Store and from the iOS App Store. And this is basically the app. You want to just select it, then click on the install button to download and install the Google Home app into your phone. And once the Google Home app is downloaded and installed, you want to go ahead and open it up directly from here. The setup process for this application is quite simple. Just give it all of the permission it requires and then follow all of the on-screen instructions. So just click on get started, click on next, give it permission it requires. And in some cases, you will also be required to sign into your Google account or your Gmail. Preferably, you should use the same Gmail or Google account that is signed in on your TCL Google TV as well. Mine is over here. I'll go ahead and select my Gmail, then click on the OK button. You might also be required to turn on Bluetooth. Just go ahead and make sure Bluetooth is turned on, give it all of the permission it requires. And that is basically all for the setup process. Now, this is how the app looks like on the home page, and at this point you want to make sure that both your TCL Google TV and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. If you do not have the remote control of your TCL Google TV and you don't know how to connect it to Wi-Fi, I have a separate tutorial that will teach you how to connect any TV to Wi-Fi without the remote control, and I'm going to be leaving a link to that in the description of this video. As soon as your TCL Google TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network, you want to click on the devices tab, which is basically this box icon at the top just close to the favorite icon. Select it, and from here you should be able to see all of the available TVs you can actually connect to from the Google Home app. Mine is literally over here, the living room TV, so I'll just go ahead and select it, and now you're going to see the open remote option. If you do not see this open remote option, it most likely means that the Google account that is used for signing into the Google Home app is different from the one that is signed in on your TCL Google TV. So you can go ahead and just change the account from over here at the top where I have my profile icon, and then select the name of your TCL Google TV. Now you should be able to see the open remote option. Select it, and you just want to enter this code inside of your phone. Once you're done, you want to click on the pair button, and automatically you're going to get this nice looking remote control that you can now use to navigate through your TCL Google TV without any problem. If you do not like the layout of this remote control, you can click on the three dot icon at the top over here, click on D-pad, and now you have a better remote control that you can even use to navigate through your TCL Google TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.